Today, I would like to speak on a reflection of Muslim and mumin, Islam and iman, that is the titles of human behavior. In traditional Islamic theology, the terms Muslim and mumin are used to indicate a religious person following the Islamic religion. The concept is a later development when the understanding of the Quranic message was changed from a rational, scientific, secular guidelines that was sent by the first cause of the all existence into a dogmatic religion that, although was still very tolerant and open-minded, lost sight of many of the original goals of the Quranic message. When researching the Quran, it is observed that Muslim and mumin are universal conditions of humans, not specifically born to religious beliefs, but on their peaceful and humanistic output. The word Islam and Muslim comes from the root salama, which means peace, to be in good health, to be secure. The word mumin and iman comes from the root amina, which means to be secure or to make others secure, to be safe, to create safety, to be entrusted with safety. The famous Arabic dictionary Tajul Rose mentions, mumin is one who stands guarantee for peace, upon whom one can depend, rely and then rest at peace, one who guarantee international peace. Naqtum Amun is a she-camel which is dependable by virtue of her qualities and can take one through the journey without getting weak or falling down after stumbling. Amanna is to satisfy someone and to put him at ease without fear, to provide peace or protection to someone, to take over the responsibility of someone's protection. In the Holy Quran, Allah has called himself Al-Mumin 59:23, as he is responsible for the safety, security of the entire universe. And therefore, a mumin is also a person who ensures peace and security in the world by acting and enforcing the laws given by Allah. Professor Arne Ambrose says in his concise dictionary of Quranic Arabic that the religious meaning of believing or faith was a non-Arabic meaning which was created later. Amina Yamanu, to be or feel safe or to to be safe and secure, not to fear. Mumin gives security, rendering safe, whereas most derivatives of the root and mn, that is ain mim noon, are genuinely Arabic. Bracket, to be and create safety. The technical religious meaning of believing appears to have developed under the influence of Aramaic and or Ethiopic. Page 29 under the root Amina. Lane's lexicon also says Amina means to be secure, safe or free from fear, and mentions several examples in the Arabic language where it refers to safety and security or to be entrusted with the security. Example, Aminu al-Mali means what is secure from being slaughtered of the camels because of its being highly prized. Lane also mentioned to understand of the verse 44:51 as mentioned, verily the poised shall be in abode wherein they shall be secure from the accidents or casualties of fortune. Lane's Arabic English Lexicon, Book 1, page 102, 103. When using cross-reference, the root amena is mostly used as referring to security and safety. For example, in 9:6, and if any one of the idlers seek thy protection, then protect him so that he may hear the word of Allah and afterward convey him to his place of safety, that is, because they are of folk who know not. One more reference, that is 16:112. Allah coined as simile a town that dwells secure and well content, its provision coming to it in abundance from every side, but it is believed in Allah's favor, so Allah made it experience the gulf of dread and fear because of what they used to do. One more verse, that is 70:28. Verily, the punishment of the developer is that before which none can feel secure. 29:193, which was brought down with the securing, protecting, spirit, blessing, wind. 44:51, lo, though those who kept their duty well be in a place secure. 95:3, and by this land made safe. Aman Yamanu bil ghaib is better translated as those that feel safe with the unknown, that which is beyond perception. amana refers to make safe and feel safe and secure. So on, the root still is not connected to believing. I can believe in ghosts, but do not feel safe about it. Amena does refer to believing in or acting in a certain way or thing which makes you feel secure and safe, and also makes you to make other people safe and secure. And many dictionaries agrees that believing is a more later development of the word amina created after the revelation. Indeed, Islam means peacekeeping, and deen is a word that conveys the meaning shade, values, morality, and obligation in its original root meaning. Thus, Islam peacekeeping is a natural morality and obligation shared by all humans on earth, as expressed in Surah Rum 30. The deen is our fitrat, our, our instinct and natural behavior. This is why I do not see the Quran conveying a religion but a natural, universal and secular morality with guidelines how to keep global peace and universal development as a species. The root salama means to be safe in good health. Amanna is to feel safe yourself and to make others be safe and secure. Thus, salama is a result, amanna is a sort of sense. When we look at a sentence as I agree, the general understanding of submitting is not entirely wrong, but it again does not convey the purpose of the word used. The submitting is done as a person is with Rabbul Alameen. Thus the sentence is, by my understanding, better rendition as I am safe and will be in good health by submitting to developer of all universe. Thus the word salam referred the reason why submission is accepted voluntarily. We can all submit to tyrant, but we are not safe and in good health with a tyrant. This is very important to do justice to the word used and use the whole root meaning, because it reflects a contract between us and God. If we are not safe and secure because of the contract, it means we do not understand the contract, that is the Quran, correctly, as is the case with the Hadith followers. But this again is not related to faith or belief in the sense as it is understood now. The word religion (mazhab) is never used in the Quran, and the deen reflects more the sense of morality and obligation towards the community and the result of acting upon the obligation by neglecting it or fulfilling it. When we look at Surah Anam 71, it uses Umarna from Amar, which means both commanded and directed. Thus, personally, I would rather use we are directed that we be safe and secure by submitting ourselves to the developer of all the universe. Directed conveys more the concept of free will and also reflection on the goal of the direction. Uslimu reflects the reason why the direction is accepted. as we are safe and secure with our being when we accept the direction of the guidance. 39:54, and turn back to the right path towards your Rabb and be safe and secure by submitting with Him. Before that there comes to you the punishment, then you will not be helped, aided, given victory. To salam refers to being safe and secure with the guidance given by God, that is, agreeing with the morality and peaceful goals mentioned it. As this is the reason why accepted, Muslims are the ones that are safe and in good health by accepting the conditions, and they are protected by mumins, the ones that are entrusted with the safety and security of others. What I want to say is, in most of the translations of the Quran in English, when we see the word mumin, we come to, or Muslim, we are encountered with the translation as a believer, or with the faithfuls. But this is a later development. What most of the dictionaries are saying. And according to the root also, it doesn't mean to believe or to have faith. This is a later religious people have developed this to prove their religion. So by doing a research on Quran, we come to conclusion that Muslim is connected with the peace, and the mumin is connected with the safety and security. That is what I want to tell to the students of the Quran. I being a student of the Quran, so when we look at the book, so we don't find religion in it. So and it is so full of the religious theological terminologies has been used in the book. So a plain reader get confused. Better investigate the words and then try to form a sense out of it. That is what I want to say today. So.